Hello everyone, welcome back to NoLimit Dashboard tutorial. So if you focus more on the conversation, what kind of comments, mentions, or what people talking about you, or your brands, or even your competitors, you can choose conversation module over here. So in this page you can see how many conversations appear on the social media and also how many unique talker talking about you or your brands, the positive talk, negative talk, and also the day-to-day performance when exactly the conversations peaked on the social media, conversation by media, the sentiment analysis by talk, the sentiment analysis by talker, and also the list of talk. You can also see the talk that has more engagement. You can just click here. So the display will be sorted by the most engagement